Welcome back, guys. It's that time of year, Christmas in May, similar to what we call it when we do it in June. So whatever the case may be, let's get started. We've got affiliates just pouring stuff in on us, getting it lined up. We've got stuff that's already in line from affiliates, and we got some stuff from affiliates that are on the way. So what I'm going to do is show you some of the new stuff, maybe some of it you've seen, and we're going to talk about those a little bit, and hanging on at the end, I got a surprise for you, but you got to hang on to the end. So anyway, we'll start off with the Endocini T6 6-inch camera monitor. And if you've never seen Endocini before, you're missing out on some good quality and some nice cases. That have a lot of stuff. Comes with your battery and your main case. It goes on top of the camera. And it comes with the battery in the back, and this is it. Up close, I know it's hard to see through those shadows. So this will be coming up soon in a video. That is the Endocini T6. One more time, check it out. Now from there, we'll jump over. This is the Ulanzi camera cooling fan. This will cool down your camera, especially if you're video, and a lot of people complain if it's hot summertime and their digital camera is overheating. This will actually go right onto the back, and this actually works. I've used it a couple times. You just plug it in, you open up right here, and this fits right into there and keeps your camera cool, and it does work. I've used it. So we got the Ulanzi cooling fan. All right, so from there, we're going to jump over. This is an inky LED light. Now, you can take this, turn it on, you can blow it up with air, you can blow it less. You can turn the colors. It's got a thing right here. You can turn it on, turn it red, blue, green. Use it as a side light, use it as a hair light, whatever you want to do with it. It's great to have, and I think they go for about 70 bucks. So they don't give them away. And next, I got a couple of favorites in here, and a couple of them, these are my favorites. This is the Cure 120. I think I showed you this the other day, but I was not able to show you everything. So right now, I'm going to show you everything that it has. Comes with the nice Cure case. And I'm going to open it up and show you what's in there. Comes with everything you need. Power cable. There's everything you need. With an additional part, this is a small, newer box. Wonder what could be in here. We're going to open this up, and this is very cool. This is your transmitter to your flash. So you can just roll around similar to the Godox one, roll around, touch, flip screen, however you want to do it. You can control all kinds of stuff with that. This is what we've been waiting on. We've been waiting on this so we could do a video of the flash, which will be coming up, I'm hoping, in the next week to get this flash out, get it used. Trying to get together with model right now. We've got rain lately. It's just crazy, but we'll get there. We'll get through it. Once again, here is the box that it comes in. The newer Q160. It's very cool. It's not too big, not too small. It's just perfect. And you got to follow that up with this, because I've been waiting on this one. It came in. It just came in like yesterday. This is the Godox V1 Mid. And the reason they call it Mid is you'll understand when I'm done. It is the perfectly named flash. This is it. That's not too big. I don't have a battery in it. This is called Mid. This is my Pro. You can see the difference there. And then you come on down to one of these. So we've got 3 different size flashes. Right there, I'm holding that beautifully, Anna. We got the big, the mid, and the small. All 3 together. But I think it's very cool because once you've reached the reception, this is the time. If you're doing wedding photography, this is the time to pull this out. It's not so heavy because you're going to be dragging by the reception for you guys that haven't shot many weddings. Take that big flash off, put this one on. It'll change your life, I guarantee it. Because stuff that weighs 1 pound at the beginning of the wedding feels like it weighs 18 pounds about 10 hours later. So believe me, this is it. And I believe you get a crazy ton of shots before it has to recycle. I should have looked this up, but I usually don't. I think I saw somewhere it's in like the 650 shots. And I'll have that information when we do this video. Just showing you guys the stuff today. If you guys ever heard of the Wine, they make drones. This is their mini version. I was supposed to have had this out a while back. We had tons of issues, not with this, but with me and other stuff going on. They call this the small one, the nano, the something, but I didn't see anything small or nano about it. And I had the bigger size. In my opinion, this one runs circle around the bigger size. And that's the drone. And it is super fast. I love playing with this drone. It's my favorite one to play with. And they've got one that's similar line, same line, but it's not called mini. It's, you have to have the LA. You have to have the FAA stuff to fly the other one. But to me, this one is more cool to fly. And it'll shoot up to 4K. And you've got your case and everything you need in there. So we'll be getting that in the air soon. Now we're about to the middle, and what I want to let you guys know is we are going to be giving one of these products away after we're done with it. I'd love to be Marcus Picks and give everything away, but I can't give everything away. But of all the products you've seen, you came along the video this far, all you have to do at the bottom of the screen, we'd love for you to subscribe, but just write your name at the bottom. This is going to be up until the last day of June, right before July. Right there where it says comment, just write, I want this. And then we will put your name in a hat and we'll do a drawing to see which product you get. So, and we'll pay for shipping. So we'll let you know which one will be yours. And that's all you got to do. We'll pay shipping. So you put, I want this at the bottom of this video on June 30th. We will draw a name and somebody will be happy because there'll be a new product coming to you free of charge. Anyway, guys, let's see. Let's take a look at some of the other stuff we got. We have some of you guys that are into YouTube channels and stuff. These are some microphones. I haven't tried them out yet, but Newer makes good microphones. So when they wrote me and asked me if I would check this out, I said I sure will because I've used them in the past and they do a fantastic job. This is the CM31 Newer microphone. And I would go outside and do a test demo, but it's raining. I don't do a lot of my YouTube videos 50 yards from my camera in the pouring down rain, so I didn't figure I would start today. This, I'm assuming is pronounced right. It's Yongnuo in this case. And when you see this, you'll know why I had to have it. It's a white little Yongnuo. It's a 50 millimeter for Canon EF. Now, I have put it on. Now, this is not a very expensive product. Okay? I think you can get it for like $69, $79 on EF, or if you've got the new RF, you can put it on your adapter, because I'm sure if you have the R line of lenses, you also have the EF adapter, and this will go on there. Now, it's not the quickest focusing in the world, and it doesn't have the quietest motor. You'll hear it go ring, ring, ring. But when it's done, you'll get a beautiful picture out of here. So anyway, this is it. The Yongnuo. Says it right here, 50 millimeter f2.8. We'll be doing a video of it, and also get your name in the drawing. You get a chance to win this or any of the other products that we're showing. We will be giving one away. And this, an affiliate sent me. Now, I'll be honest with you, I am not familiar with this company. They're called Melanari. I am not sure, and I apologize for mispronouncing that. I'm sure everybody in the world knows how to pronounce this, except for me. It is also a set of microphones. It's called Melanari LM-2. And it's got your receivers and your transmitters in there. And that is another set of microphones. You're trying to start a YouTube channel or just having fun making videos. It sounds so much better. You just won't believe. If you're just running around right now making some videos, you're talking into your phone or whatever, add a microphone to that and suddenly you sound 10 times better. You can be talking about how to make chocolate pie and it'll get interesting as long as your sound is good. It's crazy. Trust me on that. If you've got, maybe if you're young, you don't have much money right now, but you're trying to get a YouTube channel going, it's a good way to enter. Maybe you can win this because your mom won't give you the money to buy it. because she don't think you'll be into YouTube next week. She doesn't know that one day you're going to be a famous YouTube star like we do. And this could be your first microphone. And you can think back to the days that you got it from Daniel. That's me. Anyway, guys, I've got one more little product here. This is the Godox IT22 for Canon. That is, believe it or not, this is TTL. And I think I did a video on this the other day. Super simple, super easy, easy for me to say, super easy to use. And I believe these have gone up to $50 now. It's ridiculous. They're crazy prices. It works great, but the stuff on stuff is just absolutely insane. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching that. We've got more stuff on the way. We've got, I believe, some KNF filters, and I'll keep announcing these before we get to the end of June. So watch the videos. If we've got some stuff from KNF coming in, when that comes in, I'll say this is going into our pile. So we'll throw it in there, and you can still, but you need to come back to this original video to say, I want this. So bookmark this video, and whenever you see anything else pop up, put I want this video. We'll put all this into a big pie and stir it up. If your name is at the bottom, we'll reach in the bag, pull out a name, and you will be the winner. With paid shipping, of course. We got you. Guys, I appreciate it. I can't wait to get started on some of these videos. We got so much stuff coming in. We are so blessed to have such great affiliates and great subscribers. It's fantastic. I never thought when I started this channel that 3 years later we'd be sitting over 24,000 subscribers and we would have the affiliates that we have. And I appreciate each and every one of them. I think we're like 17 affiliates now, which blows my mind. There's over 24,000 of you guys. That is absolutely incredible. But I appreciate each and everything that everybody does. James Green working on our channel all the time, and James in Spain helping us with our channel. You guys are irreplaceable, and I appreciate it. And I just don't know what to say. If you've not seen our channel before, this is not normal. We don't normally do this kind of thing, but I like to show the affiliates what we've got coming in that we're about to line up, start showing you how it works. I'm not normally somebody that just sits around and shows you stuff that you can buy. If something I like, I'll say you can buy it. That's why I am not leaving any affiliate links for any of this stuff, because I haven't used it yet. I love some of these brands, but the one I got may not work. So there's no affiliate links at the bottom yet until I try these out. This, I just wanted to show you to get our drawing out. So again, one more time, get your pen ready. Underneath this video, put I want this. That's all you have to do. And then the last day in June, we will do a drawing. We'll pull out a name. We'll do a drawing. And we'll see what you won. Anyway, I appreciate it. Thanks a lot, guys. You guys have a great day. Hit that subscribe button.